Hello my dear students, now welcome back to my science class. Today we will discuss about the new chapter of class 6, that is chapter 14, water. Okay, as you know that water is the most important essential things for all the living organism. All the living organism, it means either it may be plant or it may be animals. Okay, as you know that importance of water, firstly I would like to tell you that importance of water, it means the water is most important in our life. Okay, suppose I am giving you one bucket of water for your everyday work, okay, for a week. So just think about this, can you able to do all the functions as usual you are doing? If I am giving you a very less, or you can say in the quantity, I am giving you only one bucket of water you have to use in a day, can you able to do all the functions? No, it's not possible, because we cannot imagine that how much water we are using in our daily life from morning to till night. Okay students, so importance of water in this chapter we will discuss about how, means by acting as a coolant. Acting as a coolant, it means the water is acting as a coolant. As you know that coolant is, it means whenever our body is secreting sweat. Okay, so by sweating, what happens with sweating? When our body get tempered, when our body getting heat, so due to more heat our body just secrete the sweat, and by this they can easily regulate the body temperature. So it is act as a coolant, it is act as a coolant, okay, by sweating. Okay, how by sweating? You can say that by regulate the body temperature. Okay students, now the next one is your by acting as a medium. By acting as a medium, it means it is a wire. Okay, so means whatever the function is happening inside the plant or in animals, so medium, it means it helps in the transport of substances. Okay, it helps in the transportation. Get it my point? Have you heard the name of xylem and phloem? So xylem having the functions to supply the water, means firstly they take the water from the root and send it to the various part of the plants. So in the stem, okay, so the main function of xylem to transport the water in each and every part of the plant. Get it my point? So it is, and also inside our human body, water is also taking participate in the digestion. Okay, now the next one is your by taking part in biochemical reaction. In biochemical reaction, it means all the chemical reactions which is happened inside the body, that all action is known as biochemical reaction. So water is also taking participate in these functions. So it is most important in our life if we are talking about that all the living organism. Okay, so now later on we will discuss that what are the uses of water, means from where we can use the water. Okay, so dear students, now let us have a look about where we are using the water. As you know that in household we have to use the water, like in drinking, washing clothes, cooking and gardening, okay, etc. There are many more things. Since morning to till evening we are using a lots of water in our daily life. Isn't it clear? Okay. Now as you know that in agriculture uses, it means the water is most important things, you know, for the growing of the plants. Okay, when the plants will grow, they produce the food for us. Okay, so how they produce the food? According, means by the process of photosynthesis. As you know, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, water, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment, it's a chemical. Okay, and carbon dioxide, these all are the essential things which all are taking participate in the photosynthesis process by which plants make their own food. Get it my points? Without water, nothing of the plants can able to produce their food. Okay students, now drawing minerals from the soil. How we can, if we are providing the minerals to the soil, means how the soil is going to each and every parts of the plants. they need to be draw. Okay, so how they can draw? With the help of water. Okay, water along with minerals are sucking by the stem from the soil. Okay students, now in the industrial areas, also in the industry, if any substances is going to in the liquid form, all the times they are using the water. Okay, so water, as you know that water act as a solvent. It is a universal solvent. Why it is called universal solvent? Because everything, whatever we want to make in a liquid conditions, in that place we are using the water. Okay, that's why. And most of the solute is can able to use. Okay, that can able to use in the water. That's why it is called the universal solvent. Water have such ability. Okay students, now it is act as a solvent in the industries, as well as for the disposal of waste at that place the water is using. I think it is clear to all, and many more things except these points you can also have seen and have getting knowledge about that where we are using the water. Okay, thank you for watching this video, dear students.